we continue with Bootstrap, and using model window, how can we do validation? Okay. So when I say validation, we should check whether the user entered data are in proper format. For example, whether the passwords they match or they don't match, and if they match, it should say the passwords match. If they don't match, it should give an alert message that the passwords do not match. Okay, so we will do everything model, alert, and dynamically using JavaScript. Okay, fine. So what we'll do is we'll use model window. Okay, within model window we'll create a form, and form will have username, sign up, so username and password one, re-enter the password, and once he submits the form, now it will check whether the passwords match. If the password match, it will alert that passwords are matching, or it will allow him to go on. Otherwise, it will say passwords don't match. So this message should be given to you. Okay, so this is our idea. So what we'll do, I'll just start my VS Code. So VS Code, I'll just select. I'll unselect everything, whatever we had previously. I'll comment it out. Okay, now I'm going to have a model window. So when I say model window, I'll say div, class model, then ID will be model one, model one. Okay, model. So this is a model window. So when you say model window, you should have the model header, body. Okay, so model dialog should be there. Within model dialog, you will have a header, body, and footer. Okay, fine. So now the model window should be opened by clicking a button. So I'll just, before that, I'll have a button. Okay, button. Then I'll just say, within the button, I'll have on click, or not on click actually. The thing is, it's going to open the model window. So data, BS. Okay, so it should be type, button, then data, BS, data BS, will be toggle is equal to model. Okay, then data BS target will be model one. So it should be hyphen model. Okay, so this button is for opening the model window which is below. Now this is a model window which you are going to design. Okay, and this button is for opening that model window. So button, type button, data BS toggle. Why toggle means, if the model is already open, it will close, it will open. Okay, toggle is equal to model, modal. It's not model, it is model. Okay, data BS target. So which will be the target? Model one will be the target. Okay, so here I'll say open. That's it. Any text. So you see, it looks like this. I'll just run and show you. Go live. So you see, it's like this. Open. Okay, it starts opening. It starts opening. Click again. Okay, fine. Now what happened? This model window does not contain anything, so nothing is coming out. Just save again, so it comes like this. Okay, so I'll make this button a little bit better. So I'll just say class will be btn success, green color. Yeah, we get open. So when I click on open button, the model window should be open. So now model window will start designing. First, it will have a header. So I'll say div model dialog. Within dialog we'll have div model dialog, then we will have header. It be div model. I just go down, could not see. Model header. Okay, so header section will be having student information. As I told you, it should contain login details, sign up details. Okay, sign up details. So and it should have, okay, a button also. Button, okay, of type will be button, and class will be btn, okay, close, okay, btn close. And what this will do, data, okay, bs, data bs, dismiss is equal to model. That means when this button is clicked, that means actually it will be represented by an into mark. When I click on that into mark, this model window will be closed. Okay, look at this. When I click on open, yeah, close, dot closed. So easy. Now I got a model, then dialog, header section contains sign up details. Okay, then there is a button here that's called btn. I'll make it btn close. Okay, btn, and data bs dismiss means when this button is clicked, okay, this model window will be dismissed. That means closed. Okay, then within that div dot model body. Okay, body. Within the body we will have input. Okay, input and type will be input. Type will be text. And class will be, okay. So I think we can give a class of form control. Form control. Okay, and this will be for login name. ID will be login, okay, name. Okay, and I will have password. So I'll paste it here, and I'll say password, and this will be password 1. It will be called pass1. I'll copy this, paste it here. This will be pass2. Okay, then I will have an input button. Type is button. ID will be, okay, I can give an ID for this. ID is equal to submit. Okay, let us see how it looks. Yeah, so you see, look at this. Of course, we don't have any. Okay, so I think I'll make the color a little bit lighter. The model dialog, PG light. Yeah, it's light color. Okay, I'll just give a button and all. I'll just give some value. Value will be submit. Okay, login name pass1, pass2. Okay, fine. Now what happens is fine. So I will have the placeholder and all. So I'll put a, okay, placeholder. Placeholder will be enter login ID. Placeholder, enter password 1. Password. Placeholder, re-enter password. Re-enter password. Now the moment I open, you look at this. Sign up details, login ID, enter password, enter password, submit. Okay, fine. So what happens is when it is getting submitted, okay, on click, I want validation to be done. Okay, so validate. Okay, I'm calling a function validate. So I'm going to write the function validate here. So you see, I'll just comment all these things. Function validate. Function validate. Okay. When I say function validate, first what should I do? I should retrieve the value here. The pass1, pass2 value should be retrieved. Okay, fine. So what I'll do, I'll just say var pass1 is equal to, okay, document dot get element by ID pass1 dot value. Okay, it should be value only. Space, backspace, semicolon. Control C, Control V. This is pass 2. Okay, fine, pass 2. Then now what I'll do, okay, fine. If pass 1 is equal to pass 2, pass 1 is equal to pass 2, okay, then what I'll do one thing. Okay, so I'll have an alert message here. Look at this. I'll have an alert message at the bottom, and I'll hide both of them. I'll just say div dot alert space here. Alert a success. Okay, I'll say login successful. Password match. Passwords matching. That's a message. Okay, and this I will have an idea of success. Okay, suppose if it's a failure, what I'll do, I'll just say I'll alert will be danger, and ID will be failure. Okay, passwords, no, I'll just say no, that's it. Okay, now what happens, both of these alert boxes will be hidden. Look at this. What I'll do, I'll just go to my style, okay, CSS. I'll just say hash success comma hash failure. Both will be opacity will be 0. Okay, now look at this. I click on this. Yeah, look at this. Nothing is there. Both are hidden. Okay, suppose if it's not given, both will be visible. Okay, look at this. I'll just show you that also. Come down and show you. Look at this. Passwords matching. No, both are visible. Now what I'll do, okay, I'll just go here. Opacity will be 0 so that they are not visible. I'll go to my test. Okay, and suppose it's not test actually. Go to testing.js. If passwords match, what I'll do, I'll just say document dot get element by ID. Okay, then success. Okay, dot style dot opacity will be 1. That means it will be shown. Okay, else, look at this. Okay, yes, we have to show failure opacity 1. That's it. Okay, see if the passwords match, then we will say success opacity will be made to 1. So success will be shown to you. If the passwords don't match, then failure opacity will be set to 1. So that failure will be visible to you. Success will be already hidden. It won't be shown to you. So let us see that. Okay, sign up details. I'll say, oh, something happens. Okay, so some problem actually. What happens when I click inside now? Modal dialog. Yeah. Sub button types dismiss model. Okay, fine. Model body is there. Okay. Then I will have save it. And let us see why it happens that way. So I want to enter something, it goes, the window is closed. Okay. What happens? I'll just see. Yeah, when I click on it now, it goes out. Oh, you will see why. model header, and okay, data bs dismiss equal to model, and then model body, enter login id, form control, fine. So we'll just see everything is inside model. I will check. Okay, so this is div model 1. Okay, yeah, problem is button bdn success. Okay, btn. Okay, fine. Open, close, open, close. So what happened was, why even the button is getting dismissed? We'll see that. Target is modal model 1, id model 1. That's right. Yeah, this button should not go. Okay, so what happens is, I think I put a origin top port. Okay, div class equal to model. Fine. ID model 1, model dialog, model header, model body is right. I think model footer I have not given. Oh, so I should have given a footer also. That is missing. Okay, so I should have given. Yeah, so you see, this message should be outside. See, of course, it's. I don't mind, making mistakes, because that way, you can also learn. Without making mistakes, nobody can learn. Okay, so you see, what I'll do, I'll just say, I'll bring below. Yeah, this message I'll bring below that. Okay, sign up details. Okay, then I'll say for the footer na. In footer I'll have button. Okay, the button will be. Okay, button will be PTN. Okay, then danger. Okay, I'll close this. I'll, for time being, I'll remove this thing. See? Click on it. I'll just say close. Close. Okay, fine. So you see, opens, close, opens, close. Okay, I think for time being, I'll just try to enter something. Okay, when I click inside, now it closes. We'll see what is the reason. Okay, BG light doesn't work, so I'll just close this. Okay, model 1, model dialog, model header, model body, that's okay. Make it as required. Okay, I just open. Okay, fine. So I think this design we have completed. Okay, so we will be continuing our the matching and the alert message in our next video. Okay, thank you.